Hello! In today's tutorial, I will show you how to embed a Google form into Schoology so that you can have students or parents submit the form to you. All right, so this is what my form looks like after it's embedded. I'm going to back up and show you how to do that. All right, so here's my course. There's nothing in it. What I will need to do in order to add the Google form is add material, then come down to add page. Type in a title for your page. All right, now I'm going to stop here and go over to my Google form. Okay, so just leave that page open. Come over to your Google form. You will need to go to the send button after your form is created. So go to the send button and then you have choices for sending your form out. You can email this out. You can come here and grab the link, or you can go to the embed code. I'm going to choose to embed the form. So I'm going to select the text, hit copy, and come back to Schoology. When I get to Schoology, I'm going to stay back on this form that I created on the page, and come over to the switch HTML. Once I do that, I'm going to paste that embed code in, come down to the bottom and hit this little square here to display that in line with Schoology, and then hit create button. What this does is it embeds it right in Schoology so that when it's finished, it just displays in Schoology and then nobody has to leave Schoology in order to complete the form. So this will create the entire form here. Parents or students can scroll down the form, and then when they're finished, they just need to hit the submit button here. There will not be another submit button over here off to the side for Schoology itself, so you won't receive a notification that this has been filled out in Schoology. What that will do, however, when you hit that submit button, when a parent or student hits that submit button, it will collect the responses for you directly in the form. So just come over here to the response tab. Over here, when you're filling this form out, the accepting responses is automatically chosen for you, but you can choose to turn that off if you're not accepting any responses. But in order to collect the responses, you just come to these three dots, and then you can select from these choices here. You can get email notifications when a new response is provided. You don't have to have that. It's sometimes nice to not have that, but if you want to make sure that you're getting every response, you can select that so you get a notification. You can download the responses into a CSV, which is similar to an Excel file, and you can choose to have all of the responses printed. Okay, once I receive responses, that option will be allowed, but I don't have any responses yet. All right, so those are some choices. If you have this form, you can also choose from the buttons here to change the colors and everything on the form. So you can customize and make all those choices. You can add an image at the top for a header. Maybe you want to change to purple instead, or you can change the background color. You can change the font a little bit. So there's some options there for you as well. All right, I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, just let me know. Have a great day.